Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.